Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Assistant Professor Gaurang Prajapati from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. So in the previous videos, we have covered the examples of statistical indeterminacy of beam and plane truss. In this video, I am going to cover the topic of chapter fundamentals of the subject structural analysis 1, 4th semester civil engineering. Now in this video I am going to cover the examples regarding frame. Just a minute. In the previous video we have solved these examples of the truss. Okay, now say degree of redundancy of plane frames. So in case of the pin jointed plane frame, means when the supports are pin jointed, or we can say hinge, or we can say truss, the members carry only axial force, and hence two equations are available at each joint. Say sigma h equals to 0, sigma v is equals to 0, that we have already discussed in the truss member. Okay, on the other hand, in the rigid jointed plane frame, when supports are fixed, each member carries the three unknown internal forces: axial force, shear force and bending moment. Therefore three equations are available at each joint. So in simple words, when pin jointed frames are there, so two equations are available. Okay, while when rigid jointed or fixed frames are there, then three equations are available. Okay, so let's see its formula. So first of all, degree of internal indeterminacy, DSI, formula stands for 3 times C, where C stands for numbers of areas, or we can say cells, completely enclosed by the members of the frame, means numbers of enclosed area which is closed from all four sides. Then in case of the rigid jointed frame with few pins, now if pins are given to us in the data, then formula will be DSI equals to 3C minus RR, where RR stands for numbers of members connected to pin minus 1, means we can say its formula is n minus 1, where n means numbers of sides connection to pin, or we can say numbers of member. Okay, so this is the formula of degree of internal indeterminacy, DSI. Let's see the formula of DSE, degree of external indeterminacy. That is the common formula, DSE equals to capital R minus small r. Okay, where capital R numbers of reactions produces and small r numbers of equilibrium condition. So in rigid jointed plane frame, as small r equals to 3, see fixed support is there then. Okay, and no hinge or link is provided in between the members. Now finally DS equals to DSI, they can say either this or this, plus we can say this one. Okay, so ultimately we will get DS, that is DSC plus DSI, or we can say alternatively, we can say, just a minute, degree of total indeterminacy may be calculated for the following equations alternatively, means we can calculate this formula also directly instead of above formula. That is formula stands for 3m plus r minus 3j, where J stands for numbers of joint and capital R total numbers of external reaction components. Okay, then in case of hybrid structure, for example rigid jointed plane frame with few pin joints, the degree of total indeterminacy DS may be calculated by the following equation, and equation is this one: 3m minus RR plus capital R minus 3 times J plus J dash, where RR numbers of members connected to pin minus 1 and J dash, that is numbers of hinges, that is exploding hinge support. Okay, so let's see examples. Say this one. So example number 1. Now like previous examples, what we were calculating: DSE, external indeterminacy, unknowns are capital R, small r. DSI, degree of internal indeterminacy, unknown are C, and we can do the formula summation of this one, these two, so I will get the answer. So if I want to use this formula, so numbers of unknown are 3, capital R, small r and C. Okay, but alternatively we have seen the formula, this one also we can use directly this formula. Instead of all these three formulas, I can directly get the answer from this. Now in this equation, formula stands for 3m plus r minus 3j. So unknown m, r and j, these are the unknowns. Okay, for this formula. So alternatively, if I want to use this formula, I need to calculate capital R, small r and C. But alternatively, if I want to use this formula, then unknowns are, we can say m, j and that is capital R. So alternatively we have to calculate formula either of two these equations. Okay, I have shown over here both formulas. Now that is up to you that which formula you need to use. Okay, so let's start the sum. First of all, say R, capital R will be common in each of the method as it is fixed support, so total numbers of reactions are 3. Okay, so capital R, numbers of reaction 3, and over here hinge support, so total numbers of reaction that is 2. So 3 plus 2, answer is 5. Talking about small r, that is always common, numbers of equilibrium condition, that is 3. Okay, so first problem is solved. Then C, numbers of enclosed area. Now over here we can see the area is quite open, over here side is not there, so enclosed area is 0, that is this one. Then J, numbers of joint 1, 2, 3, 4, that is numbers of joint, and M, numbers of sides between the joint, that is 1, 2, 3. So M, numbers of sides between the joint. Now alternatively, as I told you, if we are going to use this formula, then we will need 3 unknowns only, capital R, small r and small. Okay, so first of all DAC, capital R minus small r, capital R that is 5, small r that is 3, 5 minus 3, answer comes 2. So stable and indeterminate to second degree. DSI 3 times C, now as C is 0, so 3 times 0, answer will be 0, so that is stable and determinate. Finally DS equals to DSE plus DSI, that is 2 plus 0, answer comes 2, so stable and indeterminate to second degree. Now alternatively, if I want to use this formula, unknowns are M, 3 times M, that is 3 times 3, plus capital R, that is 5, minus 3 times J, joint is 4. So 3 into 3 9, plus 5 14, minus 3 into 4 12, answer comes 2. Okay, so over here you can see the final answer is common. You can use any of this equation. So stable and indeterminate to second degree. Now in this one, so first of all my priority will be this one. I will solve this formula by this method. So I will calculate first of all capital R, small r and C. So capital R, hinge support, so vertical and horizontal, that is 2 reaction, roller support only 1 reaction, that is vertical, answer comes 3. So capital R's value is 3, small r, numbers of equilibrium equation, that is always 3. And talking about C, now we can see 2 enclosed areas are there, 1, 2. So ultimately we can say C is equals to 2. So now I can solve the formula DSE, capital R minus small r, capital R 3, small r 3, 3 minus 3, answer comes 0, stable and determinate structure. Then DSI, that is 3 times C, C is 2, so 3 times 2, answer comes 6, stable and indeterminate to 6 degree. Finally DS, DSE plus DSI, 0 plus 6, answer comes 6, stable and indeterminate to 6 degree. Alternatively, if I want to use this formula, then I need to calculate J and M. So let's calculate J, numbers of joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So numbers of joint, that is 8. Talking about M, numbers of sides between the joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So numbers of sides between the joint, that is 9. And we have already calculated R, that is 3. So alternatively 3M plus capital R minus 3J, M is 9, 3 times 9 plus R, that is 3, plus 3 times J, that is 8. So 3 into 9 27, plus 3 30, minus 3 into 8, that is 24, 30 minus 24, answer comes 6. So ultimately we have got answer over here also, same answer, like that. Then moving forward, example number 3. So hope so guys you are getting the concept. So first of all my priority will be this equation, so I will calculate capital R, small r and C. So first of all capital R, so each of the joint are having fixed support, so fixed support has 3 reaction, that is vertical, horizontal and moment. So capital R, that is numbers of reaction produces 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, all are fixed support, so total will be 12. Okay, small r, that is always 3, numbers of equilibrium equation. And C, say enclosed area 1, 2 and 3, 3 enclosed areas are there, so C stands for numbers of enclosed area 3. So finally DSE, capital R minus small r, that is 12 minus 3, answer comes 9. So stable and indeterminate to 9th degree. DSI, 3 times C, C is 3, 3 times 3, answer comes 9. So stable and indeterminate to 9th degree once again. Finally DS, DSE plus DSI, 9 plus 9, so ultimately it will be 18, stable and indeterminate to 18th degree. Or now if I want to use alternate formula, I need the value of J and M. So J first of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So numbers of joint, that is 12. And M, numbers of sides between the joint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. When M stands for numbers of sides between the joint, that is 14. Clear? So as we have got all the unknowns, so first of all, DSE, capital R minus small r, capital R 12, small r 3, 12 minus 3, answer comes 9. So stable and indeterminate to 9 degree. DSI 3 times C, so 3 times C is 3, 3 times 3, that is 9. Again stable and indeterminate to 9th degree. And finally, just a minute, finally DS, that is DSE plus DSI, that is 9 plus 9, so total 18 degree. So stable and indeterminate to 18 degree. Okay, now alternatively I want to use this formula. So 3m, m stands for, as we have calculated, 14, so 3 times 14 plus r, that is 12, 3 times j stands for 12, so 3 into 4, 14, 42, plus 12 minus 3 times 12, that is 36. So alternatively 54 minus 36, answer comes 18. You can see we have got over here also 18. Okay, so moving forward, next sum. Over here arch is given to us, one type of girder, that is bowstring girder is there. So first of all, our priority is this method, so I will calculate first of all capital R, vertical, horizontal, and over here roller support, only one reaction, that is vertical. So 2 plus 1, answer comes 3. Small r, that is numbers of equilibrium equation, that is always 3. Talking about C, numbers of enclosed area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total numbers of enclosed areas are 8. Clear? So let's calculate DSE, capital R minus small r, 3 minus 3, answer comes 0. Stable and determinate. DSI 3 times C is 8, 3 times 8, answer comes 24. Stable and indeterminate to 24th degree. Finally DS, summation of DSE plus DSI, 0 and 24, answer comes 24. Stable and indeterminate to 24 degree. Now for alternate equation, I need the value of J and M. So let's calculate first of all J. Say 1, just a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Total numbers of joints are, we can say, 16. M, numbers of sides between the joint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So M stands for numbers of sides between the joint, that is 23. Clear? So as we have got this one, finally DSE. Okay, we have already solved this. We are going to use alternate formula. So 3 times m is 23, so 3 times 23 plus capital R, that is 3, okay, minus 3 times j, joint stands for 16, minus 3 times 16, so 3 into 23, 69, plus 3 minus 3 into 16, that is 48. So 72 minus 48, answer comes 24. As you can see, we have already got that answer. Okay, now moving forward, next, now in this one there is a variation. Now over here pin is given to us. Okay, so we have seen in the formula for the pin joint, we need to change this formula. Instead of 3c, now this time 3c minus r. So first of all, talking about unknown, fix about vertical horizontal moment, same here, fix vertical horizontal moment, same here again, fix vertical horizontal moment. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, so total will be 9, capital R. Numbers of reaction produces, 3 plus 3 plus 3, so total is 9. Small r, numbers of equilibrium condition, that is always 3. Talking about C, only one enclosed area is there, that is this one. So C, numbers of enclosed area, 1. Now as pin is given to us, so we need to change our formula DSI, that is 3C minus RR, where RR stands for numbers of member connected to pin minus 1. Okay, so its formula is n minus 1. So say first of all this pin is there, then two members are connected to it, 1 and 2, like that. So that is two members are there, so formula stands for n minus 1. So numbers of sides connected, that is 2 minus 1, answer comes 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1. Similarly, another pin is also given to us. Again two members are connected, 1 and 2. One is overlapping, that is no problem with that one. See, this pin is there, so 1 and 2, two members are there. So again formula stands for n minus 1, that is numbers of sides connected 2 minus 1, answer comes 1. So 2 minus 1. Okay, so this first 2 minus 1 comes for this joint, 1 and 2, like that, and this second 2 minus 1 stands for this joint pin, 1 and 2, two members are there, 2 minus 1, so total answer comes 2. Okay, that is RR. Now so let's calculate the formula now. DSE, capital R minus small r, capital R 9, small r 3, 9 minus 3, answer comes 6. So stable and indeterminate to 6 degree. DSI 3C minus RR, 3C, C stands for numbers of enclosed area 1 and RR, that is 2. So 3 minus 2, answer comes 1, stable and indeterminate to first degree. Finally DS, summation of this one, DSE plus DSI, 6 plus 1, answer comes 7, stable and indeterminate to 7 degree. Clear? Now alternatively, if I want to use this formula, I will need the value of, we can say, Zs. Now extra term will be Zs, that is numbers of pin joint, we can say, that is we can say numbers of pin joint. The rest of term are as it is, joint and numbers of sides. Say first calculate joints. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So these are the numbers of joint. Don't consider pin as a joint, because for that one we are already calculating this one, 1 2, that is numbers of pin joint, that is 2. Now we need to calculate m, numbers of sides. Okay, so just a minute. Now so numbers of sides between the joint, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So total numbers of sides are 10. Okay, consider this one also as a sides. Okay, let me zoom the sketch. If just a minute, say these are the pin joints. Okay, so numbers of sides will be this one is 2 and this one is 3. Consider these are also the sides. Okay, so now as we have got the unknown parameters, now alternate formula stands for, just a minute, this one, ds equals to 3m minus rr plus capital R minus 3 times j plus j dash. Now m, that is 10, so 3 times 10 minus rr is 2, so minus 2, plus capital R, that is 9, so plus 9, minus 3 times j and j dash, so 3 times j, that is 8, and j dash is, we can say, 2. So by simplifying the term, 3 into 10, 30 minus 2 plus 9 minus 3 times 8 plus 2 means 10, so 3 times 10 is 30. So 30 cancel, we can say 9 minus 2, so answer will be 7. As you can see, 7. Okay, so and there is a variation in this example, as I discussed, numbers of pin joints are there. So whenever the pin joints are there, this formula will be changed, 3c minus rr, and over here this term will be added. Okay, j dash y, the term of j dash. Otherwise we were using the formula, see, 3m plus r minus 3 times j we were already using, but in this one we can say 3 times j plus j dash, so this term is included, while in this formula 3c is as it is minus rr is subtracted from this one. Okay, so example number 6, similar kind of example is there, just a minute. Yeah, first of all, capital R hints about two reactions, so capital R, that is 2 plus 2, that is 4. Talking about small r, that is always 3. Now as numbers of pin joints are there, so I need to calculate first of all C, numbers of enclosed area, that is only 1. Okay, this one. Now calculate RR. So this pin is the numbers of member connected 2, so 2 minus 1, that is first one. Then next one, that is this pin joint, numbers of member connected 1 and 2, so 2 minus 1. Last one, that is this pin, numbers of member connected this one and this one, so 2 minus 1. So ultimately 1 plus 1 plus 1, so answer will be 3. Clear? Now so let's solve the first one. DSC, capital R minus small r. Capital R 4, small r, that is 3. 4 minus 3, answer comes 1. Stable and indeterminate to first degree. DSI, 3C minus RR. 3 times C, that is 1, and RR, that is 3. So 3 into 1, 3, minus 3, answer comes 0. So stable and determinate. And finally DS, DSC plus DSI, 1 plus 0, answer comes 1. So stable and indeterminate to first degree. Now for alternate terms, we need to calculate J, Js and numbers of joint. First of all, Js. These 3 are the pins, so Js will be 3. Clear? Then numbers of sides with numbers of joint 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 joint will be there. See, numbers of joint, that is 4. And M, numbers of sides between the joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total numbers of sides between the joint are 7. So as we have got all the unknowns, let's solve the alternate equation. This one, 3 times M, M is 7, RR, that is 3, so minus 3, plus capital R, that is 4, plus 4, minus 3 times J and J dash, that is 3 times 4 plus 3. So by solving this one, 3 times 7, 21, minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 times in the bracket 7 means 21. Again this will be cancelled. 4 minus 3, answer comes 1. So that is this one. Okay, so hope so guys you are getting the concept of frame. And as I told you, you can use any of one formula. You can eitherly use this formula or eitherly you can use these formulas, up to you. You will get the same answer. So that's why I have shown both method in the entire examples. Okay, so first of all, in this one, as 4 fixed supports are there, each fixed support will have produce 3 reactions. So ultimately capital R, that is 4 times 3, we can say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, so ultimately 12. Smaller, that is always 3. Then now over here once again RR is given to us, so numbers of member connected. So first of all for this one, numbers of member connected 1, 2 and 3. So 3 members are connected and equation comes n minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So first one, that is 3 minus 1. Then another joint, another pin, that is this one, numbers of member connected 1, 2, 3. 3 members are connected, so 3 minus 1, again 2. So this is 3 minus 1 and this is 3 minus 1 of this joint. So ultimately 2 plus 2, answer comes 4. Clear? And talking about enclosed area, there is no enclosed area. This one is open, this one is open, also this one is open. So C, numbers of enclosed area is 0. So finally DSC, capital R minus small r. Capital R, that is 12, small r, that is 3. 12 minus 3, answer comes 9. So stable and indeterminate to 9 degree. DSI, 3 times C minus RR. C is 0 and RR, that is we can say 4. So 0 minus 4, answer comes minus 4, as it is negative, so it is unstable. And finally DS, DSE plus DSI, that is 9 minus 4, answer comes 5. So stable and indeterminate to 5th degree. Now for alternate formula, we will need the value of J and J dash and M. J dash, numbers of joint, pin joint, that is 2. Then J, numbers of joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So J stands for numbers of joint. And then we can say numbers of sides between the joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So M stands for numbers of sides between the joint, that is 7. Clear? So you have got all the unknowns now. So let's solve the alternate solution. 3 times M, M stands for 7, 3 times 7 minus RR, that is 4, plus capital R, that is 12, minus 3 times J and J dash, that is 6 plus 2. Clear? This one. So by solving this one, 3 times 7, 21, minus 4, plus capital R, that was 12, minus 3 times 6 plus 2 8, that is 3 times 8, that is 24. So alternate 21 plus 12, 33, minus 24 plus 4, 28. I will get the answer, that is 5. Clear? We have got the already answer 5. Now next one, example number 8. Now in this one same thing will be there. Say first of all capital R, all are fixed support, so each will produce 3 reactions, moment, vertical and horizontal. So 3 times 3, capital R will be 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. Small r, numbers of equilibrium condition, that is always 3. Now RR will be there, so this one is pin joint, so numbers of member connected 1 2 3 4, 4 members are connected, so 4 minus 1, that is 3. Clear? Then enclosed area 1 2, these are open, these are open, so ultimately numbers of enclosed area, that is 2. So finally DSE, capital R minus small r, capital R 9, small r 3, 9 minus 3, answer comes 6. So stable and indeterminate to 6 degree. DSI 3 times CC minus R, 3 times C, that is 2, and RR, that is we can say 3 minus 3. So 6 minus 3, answer comes 3. So stable and indeterminate to 3rd degree. Finally DS, DSE plus DSI, 6 plus 3, answer comes 9. So stable and indeterminate to 9th degree. Clear? So we have got answer. Now for alternate equation, I will need the value of J, J dash and M. So first of all J dash, that is numbers of pin joint 1, then M, numbers of joint 1, J, numbers of joint 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So numbers of joint equals to 8, and numbers of sides between the joint 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So M stands for 10. Clear? So putting down these values in alternate equation, 3 times M, M stands for 10, minus RR, that is 3, plus capital R, that is 9, minus 3 times J plus J dash, that is 8 plus 1, 3 times. So simplifying the term, 3 times 10, 30, minus small r, that is 3, capital R, that is 9, minus 3 times 8 plus 1, 9, 3 times 9, that is 27. So alternatively 39, minus 3, 27, 30. So answer comes, we can say 9, as we have already got the answer. Okay. So these were the examples for the practice. Now let's see the examples which have been asked in the examination. So November 2015 example. So first of all, capital R, fixed support, vertical horizontal moment 3. Over here also fixed support, vertical horizontal moment 3. Roller support, only vertical reaction 1. Roller support, only vertical reaction, that is 1. So 2 times 3, 2 times 1, so capital R will be 8. Talking about small r, that is always 3. Numbers of enclosed area, there is no such enclosed area in this one, so that is 0. So finally DSE, capital R minus small r, capital R 8, small r 3, 8 minus 3, answer comes 5. Okay, so stable and indeterminate to 5th degree. DSI 3 times C, as C is 0, so ultimately 3 times 0, that is 0, so stable and determinate. Finally DS, DSE plus DSI, 5 plus 0, so ultimately 5, stable and indeterminate to 5th degree. Okay, over here one correction is there, this one is 5th degree. Okay. Now for alternate formula, I will need the value of J and M. First of all J, 1 2 3 4, numbers of joint equals to total 5. Okay, numbers of joint 5. Numbers of sides between the joint 1 2 3 4. So numbers of sides between the joint equals to 4. Now so let's now put down the value in this formula. 3m plus r minus 3j. See, in this one J dash and RR is not there because there is no such kind of pin joint. See, you need to use those formulas, say in terms of RR and J dash, only when there are pin joints given to you in the data. Right now pin joints are not there, so we will use the normal formula. 3 times m plus capital R minus 3j. M stands for 4, 3 times 4 plus capital R, that is 8, minus 3 times j, that is 5, minus 3 times 5. So 3 into 4, 12, plus 8 minus 3 times 5, 15. So that is 20 minus 15, answer comes 5. As you can see, we have already got the answer. Okay. Example number 10. Similar kind of example is there. Now all are the fixed support. Each fixed support will have 3 reactions. So 3 times 3, 3, 3 and 3. So total numbers of reaction produces will be 9. See. Then enclosed area, there is no such enclosed area, so C will be 0, and R, that is always numbers of equilibrium condition, that is 3. So as we have got all the answers, so finally first of all DAC, capital R minus small r, capital R 9, small r 3, 9 minus 3, answer comes 6. So stable and indeterminate to 6 degree. Okay, over here it will be the 6 degree. Okay, by mistake I have interchanged this one with the previous one. Then DSI 3 times C, C is 0, 3 times 0, so 0, so stable and determinate structure. Finally DS, that is we can say 6 plus 0, that is answer comes 6. So we can say it is over here also, editing correction is there. So stable and indeterminate to 6 degree. Okay. Then for alternate formula, I will need the value of J and M. So J, numbers of joint 1, 2, 3, 4. J stands for numbers of joint, and M, that stands for numbers of sides between the joint 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's put down this form value in this equation. 3 times M, that is 3, plus capital R, that is 9, minus 3 times J, that is 3 times 4. So simplification, 3 into 3, 9, plus 9 minus 3 into 4, that is 12. So 18 minus 12, answer comes 6, that is this one. Clear? Now moving forward, example number 11. These all are the examples which have been asked in the exam. Now just a minute. Yeah, this one. So first of all, capital R, fixed support, so 3 reaction, vertical, horizontal moment. Then hinge support, vertical and horizontal. Again hinge support, vertical and horizontal. So 3 plus 2 plus 2, total is 7. Then talking about small r, that is always 3. Numbers of enclosed area 1, this one is second, this one is third, this one is fourth. So total numbers of enclosed area are 4. Clear? So now let's solve the sum. DSE, capital R minus small r, capital R 7, small r 3. 7 minus 3, answer comes 4. Stable and indeterminate to 4th degree. Sorry guys, I don't know, I didn't check this one before the recording. 4th degree. Okay. DSI 3 times C, C is 4, so 3 times 4, answer comes 12. So stable and indeterminate to, we can say 12th degree, this one. Okay. And finally DS, DSC plus DSI 4 plus 12, so answer comes 16. Stable and indeterminate to 16 degree. For alternate, I will need the value of J and M. Okay, let's calculate J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so ultimately numbers of joint, that is 12. M, numbers of sides between the joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I am numbers of sides between the joint, that is 15. Clear? So now putting down the value in this equation, 3m plus capital R minus 3j, m stands for 15, 3 times 15 plus capital R, that is 7, minus 3 times j, that is 12. So simplification, 3 into 15, 45, plus 7 minus 3 times 12, that is 36. So 52 minus 36, answer comes 16. Clear? So that's 16. Then example number 12. Now capital R, that is 2 for hinge support and 1 for the roller support. So 2 plus 1, answer comes 3. Then small r, that is always 3, numbers of equilibrium equation, and C, there is no such enclosed area, this one is open area, so that is 0. So DSE, capital R minus small r, capital R is 3, small r is 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. So stable and determinate. DSI 3 times C. So C enclosed area is 0. So ultimately 3 times 0, answer comes 0. Stable and determinate. And finally DS, that is DSE plus DSI. 0 plus 0, answer comes 0. We can say stable and determinate. For alternate formula, we will need the value of M and J. Say first of all J. Numbers of joint 1, 2, 3, 4. So numbers of joint equals to 4. M, numbers of sides between the joint 1, 2, 3. So numbers of sides between the joint 3. Finally, alternate formula 3 times M, that is 3 times 3, plus capital R, that is 3, minus 3 times J, that is 4. Okay, simplification 3 into 3 9, plus 3 minus 12. So ultimately 12 minus 12, answer will be 0. Okay, then example number 13. Now it has been asked in November 2016. First of all, capital R 1, 2, 3. Hints about 1 and 2. So capital R value is 5. Small r, that is always 3. Numbers of enclosed area 1 and 2. So that is C, that is 2. Finally, DSE, capital R minus small r. Capital R 5, small r 3. 5 minus 3, answer comes 2. So stable and indeterminate to second degree. Then DSI 3 times C. C is 2. 3 times 2, answer comes 6. Stable and indeterminate to 6 degree. Finally DS. DSE plus DSI 2 plus 6, answer comes 8. Stable and indeterminate to 8 degree. Clear? So as we have got the answer. Now for alternatively, we need the value of J 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total numbers of joint, that is 8. M, numbers of sides between the joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So numbers of sides between the joint are 9. So alternatively for this equation 3M, M is 9, 3 times 9 plus capital R, that is 5, minus 3 times J, that is 8. So simplification 3 times 9 27 plus R 5 minus 3 into 8, that is 24. So 32 minus 24, answer comes 8. Okay, like that. Next, that is this one, November 2019 example. Capital R, fixed support. So 1, 2, 3. 3 reactions. Roller support 1 reaction, and hinge support there is 2 reactions. So capital R, 3 plus 1 plus 2. So answer comes 6. Small r, that is numbers of equilibrium equation, that is always 3. Enclosed area, that is 1 and 2. Okay, so enclosed areas are 2. So we got the value of C as well. So now let's put down the value in DSE. Capital R minus small r, 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3, answer comes 3. So stable and indeterminate to third degree. DSI, that is 3 times C. So C is 2. So 3 times 2, answer comes 6. Stable and indeterminate to 6 degree. And finally DS. DSE plus DSI, 3 plus 6, answer comes 9. Stable and indeterminate to 9 degree. Okay. Now for alternate formula, I will need the value of J and M. So J 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So J, numbers of joint 9. M, numbers of sides between the joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So M stands for numbers of sides between the joint. Clear? Now putting down the value in this equation, 3 times M. M is 10 plus capital R, that is 6, plus 3 times J, that is 9. Simplification 3 into 10 30 plus R, that is 6, minus 3 times J, that is 3 into 9 27. So 36 minus 27, answer comes 9. Clear? And then last one, that is example number 15. Fixed support 1, 3 reactions will be there. Over here free support is there, so no reaction will be there for that one. So capital R, that is 3. Then enclosed area, that is 0, it is open, so C is 0. And talking about small r, numbers of equilibrium condition, that is always 3. So first of all, DSE, capital R minus small r, 3 minus 3, answer comes 0. Stable and determinate. DSI 3 times C is 0, so 3 times 0, so 0, stable and determinate. Finally DSE plus DSI, so 0 plus 0, answer comes 0, so stable and determinate. Now for alternate formula I will need the value of J and M. Joint 1, 2, 3. 3 joints are there, as it is a free support, so that is not considered as a joint, so alternatively that is 3. M, numbers of sides between the joint 1, 2 and 3, that is numbers of sides. This is considered a side also, okay, side will be considered for that one. So finally alternate formula 3 times M, that is 3 times 3 plus capital R, that is 3 minus 3 times J, that is 3 times sorry, over here I didn't consider it, just a minute. Okay, one correction is there, numbers of joint will be, as I told you, 1, 2, 3, and over here 4 joint will be there. Okay, so numbers of joint will be 4, not 3. So now 3 times M, that is 3 times 3, then 3 plus R, that is 3 plus 3 times J, that is joint, that is 4. So alternative simplification, 3 times 3 9 plus 3 minus 3 times 4, that is 12. So alternatively 12 minus 12, that is considered as 0. Okay, so hope so guys you have got the concept of plane frame. Myself Assistant Professor Gaurang Prajapati signing off.